Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to be showing you guys how I wash and style my baby girl's hair, as you guys can see right here. If you are interested, keep on watching. Right here, I'm just showing you guys all the products that I use. They're from various different companies. I've tried a lot of different products and these are the ones that I like. So right now, I'm just showing you guys how I take down her braids. I usually braid her hair on Saturday night, just so that it's ready for Sunday when we go to church and it's ready for the week, and her braids usually last a week. It's not an easy task taking her braids out because she fights me, as you guys can see, but I need to take it out on Friday because she has swim on Saturday. So then when we come back from swim, I wash her hair and then I braid it back up. Ignore the fact that she's wearing a bathing suit. We just received a package in the mail and I opened it in front of her and she wanted to put the bathing suit on, so I just let her. So right here, I'm just showing you guys what her hair looks like after swim class. It's shrunken. Her edges are thin. It's been like that since birth. I am working on it to make sure that they grow in nice and full, but it is definitely a process. So as you guys can see right here, I'm just putting water on her hair. She does not like me pouring water on her head. I've tried various things, such as washing her hair in the kitchen sink and using that, but she just does not like it. So the best way for me to do it is to put her over my lap and just use my hand to pour little amounts of water. So right now, I'm just shampooing her hair. And I'm getting in there, making sure I get the scalp, getting all that chlorine and all the dirt from the week out of her scalp. Because she's still young, I don't shampoo her hair twice. One, because I don't want to dry her hair out. Two, because she's not going to sit for me to wash her hair twice. So now, as you guys can see, whenever I pour water on her head, she freaks out. So I just have to use my hand to put little amounts of water on her hair. Once I wash all the shampoo out, it's time to condition. I'm showing you guys the conditioner that I use. I absolutely love this hair company. I actually bought it for myself, used it on my daughter's hair, and loved it both on my 4C hair and her 4B, 4C hair as well. And I'm just working that deep conditioner in, as well as detangling her hair with my fingers. Then I go ahead and take a wide tooth comb and I'm just going to go ahead and comb some of those tangles out. This product does offer a good amount of slip, so I absolutely love it. Even though she's fussy, it's just because she doesn't want me doing her hair. I am not hurting her in any way. I am taking my time to go ahead and get those tangles out. It's just going to save me time later down the road. Once I've detangled her hair and the conditioner's been in her hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, I go ahead and rinse that out as well. And I just use the same process. I put her over my lap and I take little bits of water with my hand and I wash the conditioner out. Usually the second time around, she's even more fussy. Then I go in with a leave-in conditioner, and when I put this leave-in conditioner in her hair, that's when I go ahead and comb it out a little bit more. Once I put the leave-in conditioner in her hair, I go ahead with a smaller tooth comb and I get all the other little tangles out. Most of the tangles tend to be in the back, so I spend a bit more time detangling the back and the sides of her hair. Right here, I'm just showing you guys her texture. Also, I use this mango souffle butter to moisturize her hair and lock in the moisture. And I also use this natural growth oil as well. And I just massage that into her hair. Lastly, I use this ORS olive oil edge styling gel to lay down her edges. And this is the finished product. This weekend, I did not do braids. I wanted to give her hair a little bit of a rest. I just did 2 braids in the front and I did a couple ponytails throughout the back. And I just dressed them up with, you know, pink bows and barrettes, and we are good for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.